Hello, artists. Today we're learning about an art form called still life. We are going to make a still life drawing with shapes. Here are a few examples of shape still life drawings. Now, a still life is simply a drawing of something you see in real life, and then you draw what you see. We are going to use these math shapes to help us set up something that we want to draw. So here I want this one and this shape. Maybe I want two triangles, one square, and ooh, this one's different. Okay, I think I have enough shapes and I'm going to take them back to my table. Now at my table, I'm going to take these shapes and arrange them by putting them together by making them touch so that they look like an interesting design. So set up all the pieces in a way that is exciting and interesting to you. Then grab a piece of paper so that you can draw what you see, so that you can draw the still life you made. So some of these shapes look like they might be hard to draw, and I want it to look just like this, but here's the deal. You may not trace the shapes. By that I mean you don't pick the shape up and draw around it. Instead, you're going to draw what you know the shape looks like. I'm going to look at the shapes, count their number of sides, and draw it like I see it. So let's start with the top, and that's where I suggest you start. This one's a triangle. It has 1, 2, 3 sides. So 1, 2, 3. Underneath the triangle, that's the same length, is a square. We know a square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And see how the triangle is the same size? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Attached to one side of the square is another shape in red. And this shape kind of goes diagonal. I notice that it has one long line and it has one short side that's the same length. It's the same tallness as the square. Another short one and another short one. I wonder if I move it, is that the same size? Yeah, it's the same size. Is this the same size? Yep, that's the same size. But I put it this way. So, got a line that's the same size, a line that goes up diagonal that's long, same size line, same size line. Okay, that's pretty close. Now underneath the square, I have this yellow shape that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. What's that called when a shape has 6 sides? A hexagon. I noticed that the hexagon sides are the same size as the square. So it's right underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's close. It's not exactly the same, but it's pretty close. Now, I see that there's one empty side, and then next, after that one empty side, is this blue shape. The blue shape is a diamond. I know a diamond has 4 sides, so it's connected here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, then there's an empty one, and connected right to the point is, well, 3 shapes, but that's too hard. So I'm going to start with the simple shape. The simple shape I see is this green triangle, and the green triangle is connected right to the corner of my shape. This corner is here, and it's this corner here. There's one space and a corner, one space and a corner. So I'm going to draw a triangle. Then attached to the triangles, on both sides of the triangles are these white diamonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And at the bottom of the triangle is another one of these shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another way to make your drawing look just like the thing you're seeing in real life is to add the correct colors. So, using any tool you'd like, color in your drawing just like the shapes you have on your table. Once you've finished your first design, you can put away a few of the shapes and get out new ones so that you can rearrange and set up a new still life to draw. Continue doing this several times to practice drawing what you see and creating a still life. I wonder, could you arrange the shapes so they look like something from real life? For example, could you arrange them to look like a train or a bee or a person? It'll be exciting to see what you make today.